Good morning, Avery. Good morning, Nora. What are you going to sing for us today?
Mama Pajama rolled out of bed.
Okay.
Mama Pajama rolled out of bed and she ran to the police station. Papa found out, he began to shout and started the investigation. It was against the law. It was against the law. Oh, the mama stole. It was against the law. Mama looked down, spit on the ground every time the name gets mentioned. Papa said, oh, if I get that boy, gonna stick him in the head of detention. Well, I'm on my way. I don't know where I'm going. I'm on my way. I'm taking my time, but I don't know where. Goodbye, Rosie, Queen of Karuna. Sing the me and Julian down by the schoolyard. Singing me and Julian down by the schoolyard. In a couple of days, come and take me away, but the present doors leak. When the regular police come to give me a leave, I don't know where I'm going. I'm on my way. I don't know where I'm going. I'm on my way. I don't know where. Guy Rosie, Queen Karuna. In a couple of days, come and take me away, but the present with the store leak. When the rental police come to get me, I was against the wall. It was against the wall.
What are you doing?
Oh, the muscle. It was against the wall. Okay, I don't know what. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.